We're on the home stretch. Let's talk about the wrap up. So what you want to do at this point is you want to close your books. You want to export any reports you want to have preserved. You want to set a closing date. You want to get yourself a delicious treat to reward yourself for going through the effort of reviewing your books in detail. And also, I want to remind you, if you haven't drank any water today, go get a glass of water. Let's first talk about how to export your reports. We'll go to reports. We'll grab a report. If you said, I want to export this, all you're going to do is just look for the paper with an arrow flying out of it. Sometimes it looks like this, where it's kind of a rectangular shape with an arrow that goes up and out. Other times it's a very boring box and the arrow goes straight up. You're just looking for something kind of by the printer that says export. Identify what type of export you want, PDF, Excel, whatever. You want to set a closing date. To set a closing date, you click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner. On the left-hand side, you go to Account and Settings. On the left-hand side, once this gets done thinking, you click on Advanced. At the top, for the option Close the Books, you're going to toggle the off to on. You're going to set a date. So if you just finished reviewing January, you'll say 1/31/23. You'll identify if you're going to allow changes after a warning or after a warning and a password. Once you've made your decision, you'll click Save. Click Done. That part is now done. Delicious treats, you understand how to do that, and you understand the importance of water. If you need any help, my team and I offer bookkeeping as well as custom training. You can really learn about our services by going to generalfrog.com/services. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. It's been my pleasure to create this information for you.